Today, we're diving into LangChain, a framework that's making waves in the AI development community. But is it really the best choice for developers looking to integrate language models into their applications, or is it just another overhyped tool? LangChain is designed specifically for developers who want to build applications using language models. It provides a structured way to integrate these models into various workflows, whether for chatbots, data analysis, or other AI-driven tasks. What stands out immediately is its modular approach. You can customize components to fit your specific needs, which is a big plus for technical users. The user experience leans heavily on a developer-centric design, offering extensive documentation and examples. However, while the framework is powerful, it does come with a learning curve that might be daunting for newcomers. It's clear that LangChain is targeting developers who are comfortable with coding and want flexibility in their projects. One area that feels a bit unclear is the level of community support. While there are resources available, it's not always easy to find answers to specific questions. This could be a concern for those who prefer a more guided experience. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, LangChain offers incredible flexibility and a modular design that can adapt to various project needs. The extensive documentation is also a significant strength, helping users get started and explore advanced features. However, the steep learning curve can be frustrating for beginners, and the community support seems to be somewhat limited. For developers who thrive on interaction and quick troubleshooting, this could be a drawback. Additionally, some users might find certain functionalities to be underdocumented, leading to confusion. If you're a developer looking for a robust framework and you're willing to invest time into learning, LangChain could be a great fit. But if you're just starting out or prefer more hand-holding, you might want to explore alternatives. In conclusion, LangChain is a solid choice for developers wanting to harness the power of language models in their applications. Just be prepared for a learning curve and limited community support. If you're experienced and looking for flexibility, give it a try. But if you're new to AI development, you might want to look elsewhere.